I bought this 13-inch 2009 white MacBook a while back, and today we are going to be seeing if it can still handle modern tasks. So, let's get started. The MacBook actually came with its original box. Inside of the box you get the laptop itself, and you also get some monitor adapters and the original Apple MagSafe charger, which is in quite good shape. Under the black flap, you should be able to find some manuals and also a macOS 10.5 install disk. This machine still looks pretty sleek and stylish for today's standards. So let's try powering it on to see if it would even boot. It seems to be booting into macOS 10.5. Now we can actually start disassembling the machine. First thing we need to take out is the battery. Next thing we need to do is remove the 3 screws holding in the metal bracket. And then we can remove the bracket itself. Under the bracket you will find the 2 memory slots. In each of these there seem to be 2 GB of DDR2 memory. Next thing I will do is get this flap out for the hard drive and pull the hard drive out. The hard drive is made by Hitachi and it is 250 GB. Next thing to do is remove several screws around the machine to remove the keyboard and trackpad assembly. I will be applying some brand new Arctic MX4 thermal paste. This should hopefully keep the Mac cool and also help with the performance of the machine. I will also be upgrading it to a 120 GB SSD. Now we need to give the machine a much needed clean. And now we can finally insert our macOS Catalina patcher USB and install macOS Catalina. So, how does this machine handle modern tasks? YouTube playback worked absolutely fine, with the video quality set to 1080p. Minecraft also ran great, with the Optifine mod installed. Typing up documents in Microsoft Word also worked great, and the keyboard feels fantastic. I also love the MagSafe charger, and I also love the big I/O of the machine. Overall, I would say this Mac is definitely usable in 2020. And because it's quite cheap nowadays, it is a great opportunity for anyone who wants a budget Mac. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. And I will see you guys in the next video.